How to add or remove the sound recognize widget to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then, in the control center, tap on the Add button. That will take you to an edit screen. In here, if you want to remove the sound recognition widget, just tap on the remove button, and this will allow you to remove sound recognition from the control center. And if you want to add in the sound recognition, just go down and tap on add a control. Then we scroll down the list. In here, go to the hearing accessibility section and tap on sound recognition. And then if you want to enlarge the icon or the widget, you can drag on the handle at the bottom to make it a larger widget. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now pull down the control center, and in here you'll be able to turn on or turn off sound recognition by tapping on it. If you want to change the sound recognition features, you can touch and hold on the widget. And here, so if we touch and hold onto it, and from the pop-up here, you can choose which sounds to recognize by selecting each of the sound items in the list. And that's it. If you want to further customize your sound recognition, you can tap on the settings button at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.